Assalamu alaikum. Islam is the code of life. Have you ever felt lost, searching for a light, a purpose, or a path that truly makes sense? In a world full of noise and confusion, Islam stands as a timeless guide. Islam is not just a religion, it is a complete way of life. It teaches us how to pray, how to speak with kindness, how to earn honestly, and how to treat others with love and respect. From the moment we woke up to the moment we sleep, Islam gives meaning to every and patience in trials. While the world following changing trends, Islam offers eternal principles that bring peace to the heart, clarity to the mind, and strength to the soul. So, whenever you feel lost or empty inside, remember Islam not just something we believe in, it's a beautiful way to live. If this message touched your heart, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Your support encourages me to keep spreading the light of Islam. May Allah guide us all. Ameen. Summa Ameen.